Hospital researcher is interested in the number of times the average post-op patient will ring the nurse during a 12-hour shift. For a random sample of 50 patients, the following information was obtained. Let X be the number of times a patient rings the nurse during a 12-hour shift. Here we've got a probability distribution for X. And we want to know what is the target space T. And do these data follow the rules of probability? And using notation, we want to find the probability that X is greater or equal to 3. Okay, so a couple things here. The target space, T, is the set of possible outcomes from the random variable. So, in this case, we're looking at how many times a patient rings the nurse. It could be 0 times, 1 time, 2 times, 3, 4, or the maximum number is 5 times that a patient rings the nurse. So that's our target space. Next, we want to determine whether these data follow the rules of probability. Well, the rules of probability say that the probability for anything in the target space, so the probability of X, is between 0 and 1. And clearly all these probabilities are less than 1, and they're all greater than 0. So this one is satisfied. So these are the rules. And the second rule is that the sum of the probabilities is 1. And if we add this, we get 4 plus 8 is 12, plus 16 is 28, plus 2 is another 30, plus another 20 is 50 divided by 50. So this one also is true. So yes, these data follow the rules of probability. The third part, what's the probability that X is greater or equal to 3? The probability that X is greater or equal to 3 is equal to the probability that X is equal to 3 plus the probability that X is equal to 4 plus the probability that X is equal to 5. So here we've got 14 out of 50 plus 6 out of 50 plus 2 out of 50, which is 22 out of 50. And so the probability that X is greater than or equal to 3 is 22 over 50.